you don't bash my car.
My country people, bagan, tandor rich for Tori basket. Na me, your number one Tori giver, James Lawrence. Now me they give you this story as they come inside Spatola TV. Me I know say don't tell when I don't see me, but I don't show again. As it be so plenty Tori don't reach us inside Tori basket. Make I carry on the nakuna, make I tell you now see they be first before I will come back. And so for Edo State, the matter don't finish. Just make the leave matter for Matthias. As so Basaki come Pepe Oshomole. And so in Kukuma Koboko, that man where they call Easy Amo. My country people, this life no balance at all. Pata. This one they vex me as landlord come carry fire, come put for internal body for that place where they call Cross River State. My country people, matter don dey hard. People know they see slippers wear, as some people tie wrapper for chest, they no wear skirt for leg. Now so you beat people where they call TUC and LS, what they call them, Labour Congress, LSC, don't say them, they won't go protest because government, what they do, it no sweet them at all. My country people, insecurity for this country. Don't tarapa carry cutlass, con they even the Porsche driver where they drive in car for Benue State and Plateau State. Now so the matter be. My country people, are they come, I go bring una the Tori as they be.
You don't hit my car. As you don't bash my car. Tell me you don't hit my car. As you don't bash my car.
My country people, as they talk and they talk say if two elephants fight, na grass, na in they suffer because the two elephants get power well. But the matter where they say if two people fight, one, he go beat one well. Now so he be for Edo State as the election come finish. And that man where they call the governor of Edo State, now the man and still win the election as he pepper that picking way small. We know the year what he say himself na God as they talk am. No be me talk am, na so I hear am, na so the matter they reach us for inside Tori basket. Saying then na Oshomole no be in the contest. But you see, no be Oshomole dey ballot box, but na Oshomole na him do the election pass so. Na him be like say na him wan fight Godwin Obaseki. The matter be say na Easy Yamo na him suppose dey get all those things. But Oshomole carry the matter put for head as him fold leg dey waka everywhere for inside Edo State dey shout APC. And the matter don finish. And this matter, the formation wey they use too much for that place. PDP come get better people wey they call Godwin Obaseki. Now in the talk say he be number 9 as that election reach finish. If he just catch person, he go finish am. And another person wey they follow and strike well for that election day. In name na Nyesom Wike. Now he be number 10. That man he know the year what do. And as matter even reach us for Tori basket say that day and Nigeria they even gather 50 million soldiers cover in sorry. And they say na 30,000. Me I don't know how many police wey we get, no be even soldier wey they go put for Wike hotel make it no come out. They want even quarantine and make the isolator until the election finish. But I know my brother Wike wey sabi play ball well. He use his own man do as he be. Now so no be only Wike as that man wey get sense well wey they call Sheyi Makinde for Oyo State. Now he still follow them carry number 7. They play for right as they be, they follow this place, they follow that place. Brother wey come from Kogi State, Uncle Dino, that man wey sabi fend, he dey do like this of that. That man as he be so na him dey post, na him they call goalkeeper, as him dey catch ball well for Edo State election. Just the PDP, the APC, and so he be as him dey there after the election. The man una know and well they have drama. He come dey even they do like this. everywhere. They sing, they shout, they even they use Oshomole do and better people wey still dey that formation. Make una no forget that the governor of Delta State wey dem dey call Senator Okowa, na him year number level dey do anyhow for that side, and the matter plenty. APC kuma they can use their own formation. Now Oshomole na him supposed to be at 10, but as e be, e come be like say na him year 9. This Iyamo wey be the candidate for APC himself, e come be like say na him dey support. And other people wey dey carry the supreme governor of Imo State, wey they call Hope Uzodinma. No be me talk am o. His Excellency Supreme Governor Hope Uzodinma, na him come follow suit for that place where the APC formation, followed by that man wey come from Kogi State wey they call Bello Yahaya. He too follow for the matter go Edo as they go fight for that election. Another person, the executive governor of Kano State, aka Gandu Dollar, into he dey for the formation. As people come see this formation, come see PDP formation, kind everybody reason and know say PDP they go wire them. Na so they just dey dribble them. PDP get sense well wetin they do APC for Edo State. Kia wallahi. People no go come out challenge them again. Now so the matter be as the matter come finish, and that man who they call Iyamo, they say he never allow ANEC finish election. In carry in bag, carry clothes, carry keke, saying they go Abuja, say nothing concern am for this stupid election wey they do for Edo State. Say the matter tire am, saying a businessman making go do in business. Up till now, as we dey hear am, he never even talk say the election na ojoro. But that man, the supreme governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, he don talk say APC go win this election. Say they go carry the matter go Supreme Court. Make the Supreme Court again come comot am, bring Iyamo. And this matter say come make people dey laugh. Say I don't know be Imo as e dey be even Uncle Tinubu himself go fit tell you as the matter be, because him come Edo State come tell us say na Edo and Lagos say na friend they be. Say wetin go happen for Lagos na him go happen for Edo State. But the matter e no too much as e be. All of una hear am as people of Edo they talk say no, this place no be so e dey be. You don't go fit come rule us. Edo no be Lagos. And even as PDP they come, APC they come from Lagos State come do election for Benin. They can't even bring that boy wey they call Desmond Elliot wey dey act Nigerian movie. That boy. About where they do anyhow for Nigerian movie come, but as it be, they show them pepper for Edo State. Now so my country people, another matter where they reach us for inside Tori basket, be say this life no balance at all. My country people, the matter don't tire me, they vex me as I did now. I want tear person's life because government no dey try and security no dey try. This one dey come from all the way from Cross River State. Come dey reach us for inside Tori basket as e dey be so. They say one man wey they call David Okon, na landlord him be for Cross River State. Na so the man come vex go meet person wey dey give him house so when they wan pay money fair, because Nigeria no balance as e be. Economy don gbege, COVID-19 don scatter everywhere. Things no dey work well. This woman wey they call Madam Mary Samuel, and they say the woman dey owe the man 11,000 naira as he never pay house rent finish o. As he call for market, they say as COVID-19 come with those bad boys for Cross River State, we come dey destroy water as people no fit catch fish, because this woman na fish in dey sell. As in dey sell fish, na wetin in take dey chop and na in take dey pay for house rent. My country people, na so carry this man come as the woman say he no get money. Na in this man wey they call David come do bad thing. My country people, life no good o. He come go buy that thing wey they call petrol, come put am for the woman house. As the woman go bath come, na so this woman do fire, this man do fire chaka, put am big game. The woman wan run comot for house, na so this man lock door. Na so, kai my country people, this woman fire chop the woman die. Evil people for area wey wan come say make dem save dis woman, say Mr. David Okon vex carry cutlass. He say if anybody come near that area, he go clear him face. Una know as dem dey do for that area, but wetin dey vex be say there our security dey. Police, una no dey do una work. All those people wey dey call civil defense. As the matter still dey shock me, I say as the woman die, people for compound wey the area come together, they put their head together, carry the remaining body wey don die finish, carry am go the man compound, go put am for the man. They say make the man no go anywhere, they block everywhere. Nigeria police na no sabi respond. If to say na America e be, for no be like that. They has to break before police come carry the woman wey don die in body, come still arrest Mr. David Okon. As the matter dey reach us, they say the man he don dey police station. God, you no go shame Nigeria. This man him go receive justice. My country people, the matter as dey go, make I drink water, I dey come, I don tire, leg dey pain me, I dey come. My country people, na welcome o. Na still Tori Basket we dey talk here, plenty matter still dey inside Tori Basket, and na for inside Spatula TV we dey yarn una as e dey be. Plenty matter still dey. This one na insecurity. For Plateau State, the senator wey dem dey call Estafenus Gyan, the man don vex, open mouth dey kpara, say security matter no good, as dem say they call them Fulani people, Fulani herdsmen, as dem dey call am, criminal, as they go that place for Barrick Ladi, come go kill their traditional ruler wey dem dey call Bulus. They say they kpai Mr. Bulus for in compound o. This matter no good o. As it still be, the people wey kpai this traditional ruler, they never catch am. They never catch them at all. They say na Fulani herdsman. Nobody know. My country people, as the matter dey be, una no see anything wey surely for Naija. Na Fulani herdsmen we dey always talk. I no talk say no be them o. I no even talk say na them. But na so the matter be. Wey the senator come dey vex, dey talk say make government do something. Another story for inside security. Chai, my the way people dey kpai for Naija, even chicken dem no dey kpai like that o. My country people, this one don touch my libido. As e shit my kidney from back to front. The matter be say for Benue State, inside Gumu local government, I don't forget the pronunciation well. This matter be said Governor Otom local government. Now so herdsmen go there, come kata gbege kpai people. The matter they reach us say 5 people. Now so they go just put cutlass, go do an fume. If they do an fume, and the fume where they talk say that they cut people head come out. Plenty people don't die, but say the matter they reach out, they no burn any house. And they say na Fulani herdsmen. They come ask, as they ask this matter, the local government chairman come talk say as they come kill people, the people wey come kill, that they speak their own language. I been na Fulani, I no know. Now why they talk say na Fulani. And this one where they even vex everybody for this country, even me wey dey here, the thing tire me. I want even come on my suit as it be so. Which kind matter be this? That man where they call Governor Otomi don vex me, my country people. This man where they talk, the open man they shy. Every time this matter don't happen for your own local government, the man keep quiet, he no talk anything. And people come dey even complain. You wait us make they buy AK-47 for everybody for area. Now they don't come kpai people, you know talk. Mouth they pain Otom up till now. He never open mouth talk say wetin these people do e no good. We no know wetin dey happen as it be so. We no know why Otom in just kukuma seal him out, put padlock, he never talk. We still dey wait for am. 2 days don't reach, he never still condemn this matter. as e be like say Tom sef come dey fear say if him talk you know as Nigeria be, dem fit come kpai am. Na so the matter dey be. As Tom come dey for English, dem say he keep mute, him mouth him shut am, he no wan talk put matter for this matter. As the matter too tight rapper, he strong pass Tom. I no know whether na true or no be true, but as governor, this one wey Tom no talk anything, I no know wetin me I go talk for here. As e be. So my country people, another matter don reach. This one sef wey dem dey call dem NSC, dem say Nigeria Labour Congress, and TUC wey dey call Trade Union Congress, don talk say dem wan go strike. This matter wey dey vex dem, say dem don increase as government come put money upon money upon money for electricity. Even the electricity wey we no get, even myself that day for my house dem don cut my light. Even now I no get light because the matter, I no get money no dey this country. They say electricity, they don put money. Even fuel wey say they say na we dey produce plenty for Africa, and even they even put us up for where they dey produce for the whole world like this. The Nigeria government come still put money upon money. And this one come make life tire everybody for this country. And food transport money, e don increase. Food money, e don go up. Even recharge card money sef, e no dey. Even some of us who no get money to even browse wey dem dey call internet. So they say they don give money federal government 2 weeks. And the 2 weeks federal government no do anything. Then 2 weeks don pass, but this one they say this one na final warning. This one na the one wey go touch Oshomole, wey go touch goat back. Say on the 28th, if government no do anything, dem go protest for Nigeria street. They don even tell their member for the whole Naija say, see as e be so, my country people, all of us we go enter street. You know wetin we do under Goodluck Jonathan, wey even Baba Buhari sef, Uncle Dino, if we enter street protest, say they don increase fuel. NSC, TUC don talk am. My country people, make una dey prepare for 28. If you no get fuel for house, kpatakpata, my brother go buy, because my neighbor he don buy 15 jerrycan of fuel. Even myself, I go follow and sell for main road, as fuel go dey expensive small now. My country people, time don reach. I wan packet myself, arrange myself, carry my slippers put for head, make I dey go. And before me I go, my country people, una go fit watch us for Spatula TV. Better news dey, better tori dey wey una go fit watch. Na so e be, my country people. As e be so, na me still be James Lawrence, that pikin wey go school wey no know book, and you come dey tell una tori basket. My country people, una bye yo.